My biggest takeaway is to look internal first, of the things I am, the person I am, rather than just the things I do.
Starting off, like, we all are sitting there, we all have our own demons, we all have our own, goals in life. And here at Strength in the World, they're really helping me get to where I want to be, who I want to become. And I'm really grateful for that.
I think one of the largest takeaways I had was over the money mindset and really thinking about the different classifications we all grow up in.
My favorite part was learning about the brand archetypes.
The 4 archetypes.
Like lover,
magician,
warrior, and
king or queen, and specifically branding to those. The way that it was put together here this weekend just really made it click.
I think I'm going to walk away with more inspiration to keep going with what I'm doing. More knowledge and knowing the direction of my purpose.
And if you're on the fence, I would say that there is no fence, right? Because if you're deciding whether you want to change your life or not, that is the decision you have to make. And the event is just another piece or a tool that you use to get there.
I would say they are a dumbass if they don't come. Because if you want to do better in business with your brand, better in business is kind of a general thing, right? The better we can do on ourselves, the better we do in business. And that's what this is about.
One of the things I believe you'll get if you choose to take your life seriously and take this to the next level is you're going to get a group of people who are excited about you reaching your next level. Also, you're going to get some real good introspection about what are the things that you've been currently avoiding in your life, areas that you know already. I don't have to tell you. Nobody has to tell you. You already know what you should improve on.
I would say invest in yourself. It's very important for growth. You have to realize you don't know everything. There's so much more out there to know and to learn, and have these experiences is just super important because there's always room to grow.
Just do it. If you're on the edge, that just go fall in. Just why sit there and step back and be like, oh, I can't afford it, or maybe this just isn't for me. You're not going to know until you actually come.
It's something you can try to explain, but you got to feel it. The exercises, the camaraderie that's built and all that. Yeah, you need to get your ass in here. Quit thinking about or worrying about, oh, I can't afford it or whatever. No, you can't afford not to. And if you're not worth your investment, what the are you doing? So, yeah, you should be here.
And I can tell you're real, and I can tell you're genuine, and I can tell all those people that I mentioned too are the same. And that's what people need to see.
If you're deciding to change your life and you know there's that next step that you're trying to take, there's no other place to be but Strength in Your World.
I'm the creator of Strength in Your World. Strength in Your World first began back in 2016. At this point in time, I had been obsessed with transformation, becoming the best version of myself. I learned from Tony Robbins, Dean Graziosi, Brandon Bouchard, these giants in the industry that are so incredible at creating transformation. And I wanted to put together a 2-day experience that helped people dive deep within themselves to pull out their brand, their story, and really become the best versions of themselves. People that are coming to this experience, they're looking for growth, they're looking for transformation, they're looking for that next version of themselves, whether that's 2.0, that's 3.0, or that's 4.0. And if people come and invest themselves and all of themselves and willing to really open up, and before I go further, there's not very many rooms where you are able to go and really be vulnerable and be open and not judged and given the space to really grow and transform. And I think that's what I'm most proud about this. And people come and they say, I've met business partners and friends, and I've even heard people dating and getting married, and I'm so proud of that, and I'm so grateful to be a part of that. And I would love to have you come be a part of this incredible 2-day experience. It means a lot to me. I put my heart into it, I put my mind and my spirit, and I know if you come, it will absolutely transform your world.